Today, let's dive into the art of storytelling in English. First, choose a theme that resonates with you: love, adventure, or even a funny mishap. Next, outline your story with a clear beginning, middle, and end. Start with a hook to grab attention, maybe a surprising event or a relatable character. As you build the middle, add details that create tension or excitement. Use descriptive language to paint vivid images in your listener's mind. Don't forget to include dialogue. It brings your characters to life and makes the story more engaging. Finally, wrap it up with a resolution that ties everything together. Leave your audience with a thought or lesson learned. Remember, practice makes perfect. The more you tell stories, the better you'll become. So, grab a pen, jot down your ideas, and let your imagination flow.